Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove references and citations from Perplexity AI response. If you've ever copied an answer from Perplexity and found it cluttered with citation numbers and reference lists, this tutorial will show you two simple methods to clean that up quickly. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can start asking questions. Look for the chat input box positioned in the center of the page. This is where you'll type your question. When crafting your queries, simply include a request to remove references and citations directly within your question. This tells Perplexity to format the response without those elements right from the start. Once you've typed your question, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Submit button to proceed. Perplexity will begin processing your request, so wait for a few seconds while it generates the answer. The response should appear on your screen without citations if your initial request was clear enough. Now, if you're not completely satisfied with the result, or if citations still appear, you can follow up with another question. Simply type in the text field something like "remove all references and citations." This gives Perplexity another chance to clean up the response for you. Alternatively, if you already have a response with citations that you'd like to clean up, you can use a dedicated tool for this. Start by copying the answer from Perplexity, then open a new tab in your browser and navigate to aspaguide.com/perplexity-citations-and-links-remover. This is a specialized tool designed specifically to strip away unwanted formatting from Perplexity responses. Once the page loads, you'll see several checkbox options. Make sure to check the boxes beside Remove Citation Numbers, Citation List, and Answer from Perplexity tag. These options ensure that all reference markers and metadata are removed from your text. Next, locate the input text field on the page. Paste the text you copied earlier from Perplexity into this field. After pasting, click the button labeled Clean the Text. The tool will begin processing your content, so wait for a few seconds while it strips away all the citations and references. Once the cleaning process is complete, you'll see your text displayed without any citations or reference numbers. If you want to use this cleaned text elsewhere, simply click Copy to Clipboard, and the text will be ready to paste wherever you need it. And that's it. You now have two methods to remove references and citations from Perplexity AI responses, either by requesting it directly in your query or by using a specialized cleaning tool. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.